I am going to discuss about the parts of hibiscus flower and about its cross section. The first part of the flower is receptacle. Receptacle is the base of flower on which all the parts of the plant gets attached. Next one is sepal. This is sepal. Next one is petal. Petal is the colored part of the leaf, and if all the petals joined together, then it is said to be called corolla. Here the next one is style. Style is the tube which connect stigma to ovary. This is stigma, and here is ovary. Next one is filament. Filament is this smallest tube. And next one is anther. Anther is the small dot like structure. And next one is stigma. Stigma is the sticky and top part of the carpel on which it receives the pollen grains from the anthers of the stamen. So this was a part of the flower. Now we have to cross section the hibiscus flower. For the cross section of the flower, we need to have removed the petal, that is colored part of the leaf. So I have removed the petal part of the leaf. So next we have to remove the sepal of the flower in this way. Now we will now see that what is inside this tube, that is style. To remove this, we will use the knife. So we will cut like this. After the cutting of tube-like structure, that is style, we find this type of structure. This is the stigma, and this is the longest tube that joins the stigma to ovary. Now we cut this. After the cutting, we see this type of structure, and it contains ovule in it. So this was the cross section of the plant, and from this ovule, and when ovule get harder after some time, then it will become the seed of flower. So this was the cross section of the flower. Thank you.